Adding directory to sys.path/pythonpath. I am trying to import a module from a particular directory. The problem is that if I use sys.path.append mod_directory to append the path and then open the Python interpreter, the directory mod_directory gets added to the end of the list sys.path. If I export the Python path variable before opening the Python interpreter, the directory gets added to the start of the list. In the latter case I can import the module, but in the former, I cannot. Can somebody explain why this is happening and give me a solution to add the mod_directory to the start, inside a Python script?
This is working as documented. Any paths specified in PythonPath are documented as normally coming after the working directory but before the standard interpreter supplied paths. sys.path.append appends to the existing path. See here and here. If you want a particular directory to come first, simply insert it at the head of sys.path. That said, there are usually better ways to manage imports than either using PythonPath or manipulating sys.path directly. See, for example, the answers to this question.
You could use
As to me, I need a cafe to my Python path. I can add its path to the file /home/sys/.bash by add. Export $python path to my /home/sys/.bash file. But when I use PyCharm, the path is still not in. So I can add path to Python path variable by run edit configuration.
When running a Python script from PowerShell under Windows, this should work.